Hello everyone, welcome back to The Greatest. If you're new here, hi, I'm Cherry, and this channel is about success-driven tools and strategies for new bloggers to achieve clarity and focus. Today's video is a continuation of last week's tutorial on how to set up Pinterest for your new blog. I'll have the link in the description in case you missed it. This time, we're going to dive into Pinterest SEO. I will help you optimize your Pinterest profile so you can get more views and clicks. Alright, so let's jump right in. Similar to last week's video, we are going to use the Pinterest profile of my pet blog, shitsucareguide.com. So as you can see on our screen, there, when I click the profile image, alright, and then go to boards, there. This profile has 5 boards, one of which will be dedicated to my pins. That is why I named it Shih Tzu Care Guide My Very Best. The rest of the boards is where you will find a mix of my pins and other profiles with a similar niche. So the first thing that we need to do is to find Pinterest keywords that we can use throughout this profile. Since our blog is a pet blog, we will cover topics about dog supplies, grooming, food, and training for a specific dog breed, that is, Shih Tzu. So for these topics, we're going to hunt for Pinterest keywords. And that is because we need to find out if there are Pinterest users searching for these topics and use the words they type in the search bar. So let us try to click the search icon and type in Shih Tzu supplies. Don't forget to choose all pins and enter. So this way you'll be able to see all pins throughout Pinterest that matches our keyword search. So as you can see, we have dog food, we have brushes, we have shampoo, toys, obviously supplies. So how about we narrow it down to Shih Tzu dog shampoo. Alright, so when you scroll down, of course, there are images of dog shampoos here, pets taking a bath there. But as you can see, the most common pin titles you'll find is best shampoos for Shih Tzu. So we have this one here, and another one over here. So therefore, we're going to use that particular keyword for our research. The more we target a more niche down keyword, the better our chances to have our Pinterest profile visible to the right audience. So here I have prepared a Google Sheet, okay, where we can put our Pinterest keywords. So this way we can identify which keyword goes to what board and vice versa. So I will put best shampoos for Shih Tzu on my first board. Okay, now let's try another one. How about we try Shih Tzu dog food? And there you go. So we have topics about what Shih Tzus can't eat, best food for Shih Tzu, a brand popular for taking care of Shih Tzu puppies, um, more images about Shih Tzu. Okay, super cute photos. So again, as we can see here, the most popular pin title is best dog food for Shih Tzu. There. So let me go back to our Google Sheet and type that under our first board. There you go. Best for Shih Tzu. Okay. All right. So this is how I do keyword research on Pinterest. So let me go ahead and search some more so I can fill my Google Sheet over here, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back, and here is a list of Pinterest keywords I was able to get, or I was able to find, that will be very helpful for my pet blog. There you go. Okay. So what I love about conducting keyword research is that it helps you map out the topics you want to cover in your Pinterest profile. And moreover, you will be able to provide Pinterest a better understanding about what your blog and your profile is about, which in return helps the Pinterest algorithm in finding your target audience. Therefore, it works both ways. Imagine yourself endlessly scrolling on Instagram and liking posts about plants. Then all of a sudden, Instagram is recommending images or profiles about cats. Isn't that weird? I mean, where did that come from, right? So, do you understand what I mean? All right. Now, next, what we need to do is to update Pinterest board descriptions. To do this, let us go back to our Pinterest profile, home feed. All right, let's click our profile image. Okay. Go to boards and then choose one. Let me choose this. All right. And click this to edit. There you go. Okay. So based on the keyword research we conducted earlier, I'm gonna copy all of them here and then paste it in the description. So copy, paste. There. Aside from that, I'll just put in this board, you will find there. And I'll just add comma. There you go. And, alright. And then click done. And there you have it. That's our board description. Okay, so let me go ahead and do the same thing with the rest of my boards, and I'll be right back. We are going to add board covers. For our board covers, we will use Canva. Now, the size of a Pinterest board cover is similar to the size of an Instagram post. And that is what we're gonna use. I have prepared the images ahead of time, and here they are. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to upload them one by one. And please do not forget to optimize your image profile names or image file names as well. So what I do is I put my blog name or the board name and of course my website URL. So for example, this. So as you can see, file name is Shih Tzu Care Guide, Dog Grooming Tips, and home, shitzucareguide.com. Okay. Okay, so time to upload. Go back to Pinterest. Let me close this and log out. Here. Go back to Pinterest and let's go ahead and upload. There you go. Go to boards. There. And then let's pick this one here. Alright. So for board covers, it is the same as uploading a regular Pinterest pin. So you drag the image, add a pin title, description, URL, and then click publish. So let me show you how. Pin. Okay. And then I'll click here. Alright, there you go. So I'm going to use our board name as pin title. Alright. And then destination link. I'll put our website. There you go. And then for the description, we will use our keywords. Yeah. There. Alright. And then publish. Alright, there you go. So let us refresh our board. There you go. Click this, edit, board cover, and then save changes. And click done. Alright, so let us go back to our home feed. Oh, sorry, home feed. There. Let's go to boards. Hold on, yeah, there. Boards. And there it is. We now have a board cover. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the same thing with the rest of my boards and I'll be right back. Alright, I am back and as you can see, our boards are looking very pretty. So there. I added Shih Tzu Care Guide, the word the blog name Shih Tzu Care Guide on all the pins and all the boards so I can optimize my profile as well. Alright, so there you go. Now, next thing that we need to do is number 4. Oh, what's going on here? No, we're not gonna wrap up just yet. Number 4 is to optimize our display name and description. So for this, we're also going to utilize the keywords we have researched a while ago. So to do this, let's go to settings. For the display name, yes, I want to keep Shih Tzu Care Guide right here because our profile doesn't have a logo. It's just a photo of a puppy, which is still cute, but it's not that optimized. So I will keep it as it is, our display name, but add dog care there. And then under about your profile, we already have this, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Caring for Shih Tzu. Now, we will remove the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. Okay. Instead, I'll replace it with How to Care for Shih Tzu. There. And then go back to our Google Sheet and use some of our Pinterest, board names like dog grooming tips at home. Let's have must have dog supplies, and then let's have and puppy training tips. Let's see if we did not exceed the number of characters allowed. There you go, profile saved. Alright, so let us go back to our home feed and click the profile image. Alright, there you go. Awesome. Alright. Nice, okay. Alright. So that's about it for optimizing our Pinterest profile. And this time we're gonna wrap up. So again, just to give you a summary of what we did today. So number 1, we conducted keyword research. Number 2, we optimized our board descriptions based from our keyword research. And then we added board covers. And then lastly, we updated our profile name and description. So there you have it. And to wrap up this video, just a very quick reminder, because I want to share a few things I learned with Pinterest when I started using it in January, only in January of this year. So as you can see, targeting the right keywords for your niche is not enough. You have to dominate a particular keyword. In other words, you can't just have one pin for a particular keyword. You have to have many. That is why a lot of Pinterest experts recommend for you to have at least 3 to 5 pins for one blog post. So the more pins you have for a keyword, the more chances that you will have views and clicks. Let me give you an example. Like, for example, when I type blogger burnout and choose all pins, there you go. My pin for the greatest is showing up as the number 1 search result. But aside from this, I also have other pins that has the same keyword, blogger burnout. However, I can't find it anywhere. Probably because this pin is the one that is most popular compared to the others. There are thousands of pins published every day, and heck, even every hour. But all it takes is being consistent and have the right strategy. So, and also, moreover, the keywords I use today aren't final. At the end of the month, I can conduct an audit and find out which keywords are getting more results and which aren't. So this way, I can step back and do my research over again, but not necessarily back from square one, but just enough for me to find, what's trending, what's not. And this way, I would know if my account or my Pinterest profile is up to date. And there you have it. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more Pinterest tutorials and everything about starting a blogging business, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!